start at 6 in Norfolk, where the city treasurer will not be returning to work after the long holiday weekend.
As promised Wednesday, a judge made his ruling today. Burfoot will be suspended come close of business Monday. This all started with a Norfolk attorney's petition to the court. In the end, the judge agreed, but Burfoot's attorney says the fight is not over. 10 on your side's Aaron Kelly talked to Burfoot and the man who took him to court. Aaron.
And I also talked to a leader of a committee to recall Burfoot. He told me that they are highly pleased with the judge's decision. Meantime, Burfoot's attorney says that that his client should not have to leave office until a judge formally accepts that guilty verdict and convicts his client, something he says cannot happen until April. Continue to fight.
I'm going to continue to fight.
In the months since a federal jury found Anthony Burfoot guilty of accepting thousands in kickbacks during his time on city council, he has continued going to work as Norfolk City Treasurer. But Monday, he'll have to leave at the end of the day, following a circuit court judge's ruling to suspend him.
It seemed like a terrible thing to have somebody sitting in office that had been convicted of bribery and perjury and still in control of our tax dollars.
Attorney Ron Batliner had petitioned the court to get Burfoot off the job during the appeal process. In his order, the judge wrote that if he didn't rule to suspend Burfoot, the public would keep paying a substantial salary to someone convicted of crimes of dishonesty.
Having him sit in office with those convictions erodes everybody's trust in government. And you know, people are entitled to have good government that they can be proud of.
Defense attorney Andrew Sachs, who is already fighting the federal jury's verdict, plans to ask the circuit court judge to hold off on the suspension while he appeals to the Virginia Supreme Court.
I can understand and respect the judge's view on that and any other person's view on that. When a public official has been found guilty of an offense, that's an understandable concern. However, we believe that the black letter law that governs all of us says that until certain events occur, this officer can't be suspended.
Now, Burfoot just left his office moments ago. We had an opportunity to talk to him about what's going to happen in the days ahead. Here is what he told us.
Well, I'll be here this weekend. I got a lot of things I need to clear up, make sure that my staff is, set and able to function and do the things that they need to continue to do to keep the office running smoothly.
In the event that you're not able to get that stay and get the judge to hold off on the suspension?
Well, I got a very efficient and effective staff, so, in my absence, they'll be able to get things done. And so this is not anything that's new. We understood this was a possibility, so we've been prepared for, such a day. But at the end of the day, like I've said once, I said to you earlier, that I will continue to fight.
And we will continue to track the developments in this case. For now, though, we are live in Norfolk. Aaron Kelly, 10 on your side.
Anthony Burfoot is scheduled to be sentenced in April, which is the length of the suspension pending any appeals. He could get anywhere from 5 to 20 years in prison. It should be noted that Burfoot's term technically expires in November.